Hello friends, welcome back. Spanky here and welcome to my face. So good to see you guys again so soon, yes, so soon. All right, so I am really excited about this video for a couple of reasons. Reason number one, I'm going to talk about skincare, how to properly diagnose areas on your face and like understand what your skin needs. And I'm also going to show you guys a fabulous 15-minute skincare treatment that I love doing, who I partnered up with today to make this video, which is so exciting. Seriously, I'm so super excited. This is the Zombie Pack, and we're going to dive right into this. It's like an 8-in-1 skincare treatment. It's amazing, and it's going to help just do all of the things that we need our skincare to do. And number two, I am going to give you guys my like 2 or 3 minute routine that fools everybody I know into thinking that I am wearing a full face of makeup and that I spent like a whole bunch of time on my face. And no joke, I am literally only wearing 2.5 products on my face right now, and one of them is not foundation. But I'm really excited to just break down how that optical illusion works. I'm also going to tell you guys how to kind of diagnose your skin so that you know what it needs as far as your skincare treatment. Alright, so I'm going to throw my hair up in a bun, wash my face. We're going to get started with this Zombie Pack, and then we're going to get into the fake it till you make it, which is what I like to call the optical illusion that makes people think you're wearing a full face of makeup. Alright, let's go. Okay, I am so excited to show you guys this skincare treatment. And yeah, and then I'll show you how to like fake it till you make it, because that's what it's all about, right? Okay, so here's the Zombie Pack. This is how it comes. Now, what I like about the Zombie Pack is that it comes with 8 treatments in it, so it's not like when you buy like one off like sheet mask or something and then it's like a lot of money just to get one treatment. This is going to give you several treatments. There are 3 components that you're going to get with this kit. So we've got the Zombie Pack Activator, and then you've got the Zombie Pack. This is the powder that you're going to be mixing it with, kind of like you would like developer with like a hair dye. And then it also comes with a lovely, beautiful, fabulous brush. All right, so I'm opening the powder so you guys can see this right here. And then I'm just going to pour the activator without spilling it everywhere directly into the powder. Easy peasy. And then you literally just take this sexy little brush that came with the Zombie Pack and mix everything together. And it's going to create like a thicker paste that's going to go on your face. I feel like I'm about to make like a mini bread, like a mini bakery of dough. Now the great thing about this mask is that it's an 8-in-1, just a full face skincare treatment mask, and it's something that you can do in 15 minutes at home, which is why I really like this one in particular. So I want to really quick just kind of break down like how to look at your skin and the areas of your face and to kind of recognize the different things that may be going on depending on like different textures and things that you have happening to your face, so that you know like what your skin really needs. Like beyond is your skin dry or oily, but like what the actual different textures mean. So go ahead and grab a little mirror. Okay, we're gonna have like a little sitsy, a little chatsy about the skin. First of all, like look for areas that are like bumpy and like really textured, right? So any areas that are bumpy are areas that lack elasticity, and those areas are probably going to be prone to wrinkles. Now, so for me, I know like my forehead is classically my bumpiest, and so that's something that I really have to watch out for. So bumpy skin, you're losing a little elasticity there. So it's usually like a collagen breakdown issue. So there are supplements for that. Of course, different moisturizers can help. Make sure you wear your sunscreen. Also different foods like eating avocados and fatty fishes and fish oils like that can also help improve elasticity. And then of course, we also want to look for just cracked areas on the face, which sounds a little harsh. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to be mean here. Maybe it's obvious, but cracked areas are signifying a lack of hydration, that literally it's dehydrated. Now the cracked areas might not feel dry to the touch, but they might be dehydrated internally. So things like, of course, making sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day, proper moisturizers that are really going to penetrate into those pores, and then of course doing a mask like this. Let me go ahead and apply this mask because I can be chatting to you while this is on my face. So I'm just going to take that brush and start to painting. This is like, I don't know, this is almost therapeutic for me, applying a mask, especially using this brush, which feels so good. As with anything new, if you're uncertain about it, do a patch test. Oh, this feels so good. It's like nice and cool and soothing feeling. I look like someone cracked an egg on me, okay, girl? Now, like I was saying, this is an 8-in-1 treatment, so it's going to literally visibly help to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, especially when you use this consistently over time. It's also going to just tighten and shrink those pores, and I feel that tightening effect happening right now. Along with that tightening, it'll help to just visibly lift your skin, which is great. Who doesn't like a nice little facelift? Ooh, I can really, girl, I feel it. I think the zombiness is taking effect. Then you just literally leave it on for 15 minutes, and then just let it do its magic, and then we're gonna rinse it off. Just to read some of the ingredients for those of you who are like me and you're like, what's in it? This has albumin, which is going to help. That's kind of like the property that helps give that lifting and like tightening and firming lifting effect. It also has lavender, it's got aloe in it, and it's got propolis extract, which you guys have heard me talk about that on this channel before. That is bee like saliva extract that has been like long since used in skincare to like kind of like an astringent and a disinfectant. It really helps to like get in there and clean out like the gunk and whatnot. Welcome back. Oh my gosh, I can't even open my mouth all the way right now because the mask is doing its thing. So as you can probably tell, you can probably see why they call it the zombie pack, okay? Because I literally have been zombified in 15 minutes. Basically, this is the mask doing its work. It is like tightened and shrunk the pores so much. The mask is like literally just, ooh, look at that. Ah! I can't tell if this is like just really gross to look at or extremely satisfying. You literally just want to rinse it off to do your skin the most benefit. So I'm going to go wash it off real quick and I will be right back. And we're back. I don't know why I'm just in like this mood today. All right, so I just rinsed everything off and my skin feels just crazy clean. First of all, it feels just really clean, like it just feels smoother and like tighter, and like all gunk is just out of my face. Now really quick, let's get into the fake it till you make it. Make them think you're wearing a full face, or at least give off that illusion that you are, with literally just 2 products. That's literally all that I use. Well, I'll say 3 products. I first recommend applying a nice moisturizer. Now use one that is not geared towards, like, you know how there's some moisturizers that are like, will fully absorb into your skin and you won't even see it or know it's there. Like, those are great for like something else, but for this, I like a moisturizer that gives my skin just like a little bit of a shine, or like not like a shine, but like a glow to it. It just instantly brightens up your skin and also gives the appearance of it just looking healthy and more radiant, more glowy and dewy, and just healthier. Now another kind of weird tip is to use a different moisturizer on your neck. Now this is where you would use like one of those like fast absorbing, doesn't like have any like exterior residue, because if you have a difference between your face and here, then you're just going to appear more glowy and more radiant and more healthy in your face. Little subtle mind tricks that we're doing here. Like literally, we're just like playing with different ways to reflect light, and also just subtle mind tricks, but it works every time. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but of course, like this whole premise, this whole idea really operates under the guise of you taking care of your skin. So just know that I'm someone who like had severe extreme acne for a long time. It is a process and a road and a journey, but if you are consistent with the products that work, if you're consistent with the treatments or the natural treatments that you do for your skin, if you're getting better sleep, like I am focusing on doing now, getting more sleep, drinking lots of water, it will make a difference. Also taking supplements like biotin. And let me also preface that you don't ever have to wear makeup if you don't want to. You don't even have to fake it till you make it. If like you're comfortable in your skin and the way you're looking, however that is, then like bravo to you. If you are not feeling that confident yet, just know that like we all go through that. I have had many times in life where I feel very just not confident at all. No cheesy PSA announcement right here, but you are beautiful however you look right now, I promise you. So are you ready for the two products, the two makeup product miracle that will fool people into thinking you have a full face of makeup? There was one that was just very apparent, and that is, bam, a nice bold lippy. Now I prefer a bright red lipstick for this. Not only does it make your teeth look whiter, it has such a eye-catching punch and power to it. Most people mentally, without even realizing it, would just assume if someone's wearing a bright bold red lip that their full face is done, that they are put together, they are snatched, and they have got it all together. If you guys don't like a red lip, then of course do a lip of your choosing. Just stay away from nudes and the more natural shades, because that obviously nudes look more like your bare face. I'm also going to overline the crap out of my lip, and you can get away with overlining your lips way easier with a bright bold shade or a dark shade. Yes, we like it. The red lip just it pulls the face together. I have nothing else on except my moisturizer, which is giving me that beautiful glow, and the lip. And for the second and final product that was on my face, drum roll, it's the brows. That's literally, that's all it is. It's just the brows. Just defining your brows, whether lightly or boldly, is instantly going to make it look like you spent time doing a full face when you really didn't. And this is especially great if you guys wear glasses, or if you're gonna be out wearing sunglasses. You can go ahead and do a bold, dramatic brow if you want to, because we literally have a naked eye going on, so it's not going to feel overpowering to the face, if that makes sense. And voila! There we go! We have faked it, and we have made it, ladies and gentlemen. Just literally just having something on the top and something on the bottom of the face that is done. I buy it, I believe it. I have fooled so many people when I go out like this, thinking that I am wearing a full face and that I just have like a natural eye going on. If you want to like really put this over the top, then you can throw on some mascara, but honestly, I just wanted to keep this to two products. Bam! I mean, you tell me that I didn't spend 30 minutes on this face when I literally only spent 3 minutes on this face. And if we really want to sell this look, then let's just go ahead. Let's just go ahead and get extra right now. Right? Okay, girl. She came ready. Like, she actually like washed her hair for a change. But I hope this helps you maybe feel a little more confident if you've been like teetering on the idea of trying to go without foundation for a little while. It does work amazing wonders for your skin if you can just give it a break. Again, I have the link to the zombie pack in the description if you guys want to give the zombie pack a try. It is absolutely fantastic for skincare and has just like really worked wonders on just keeping it all right and tight and together, and that's what we love. So check out the link in the description for that. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'm gonna have another video up very soon, maybe tomorrow. Oh, little bonus material for you guys. All right, I'll see you guys very soon. Smooches. Mwah. Bye.